Kia ora e te whānau ua Awanuiārangi. I hope this video message finds you all safe and well. We know these are different times that we are operating in, so I thought a regular video update would be helpful over the next few weeks to stay connected and maintain the flow of information to all our tauira and kaimahi at home due to COVID-19. It's been a week since we officially shifted to Alert Level 4. I hope you're all keeping safe and well, physically and mentally. The uncertainty that comes with not knowing when this pandemic will come to an end can be worrying. It's okay to be worried. And I encourage you to take the time to look after yourselves, especially your mental well-being. If you need additional support, you can call or text 1737, where you will be able to talk to a trained counsellor for free. We have received a few pātai from both kaimahi and tauira around expectations over the next few weeks. So I wanted to use this time to talk to a few specific points. The first point is there continues to be no delivery of classes through to Wednesday the 22nd of April. Up until then, our kaimahi will be working hard to ensure we are ready for online delivery of your programs, where this is possible from Thursday the 23rd of April, regardless of whether Alert Level 4 is lifted or not. I should also mention that if Alert Level 4 is lifted, and to ensure we are taking all the right precautions, it is likely we will not open our campuses sites straight away, and classes may still need to be delivered online for some time. So, ensuring we can deliver programs online by then is our priority over the next few weeks. While we will not be delivering any programs through to Wednesday the 22nd of April, we are encouraging tauira to reflect on or revise work already completed to date, and if possible, to work through any prescribed readings or videos and complete any assignments already assigned, for example, essays. Our kaiako are also available via email to answer any pātai our tauira have. To all tauira, I encourage you all to please stay enrolled in your programs. It is important not to make any quick or reactive decisions to withdraw from your study. Study-linked payments of allowances and loans are continuing as normal, so there is no need to cancel your studies. As Chief Executive, I want to reassure you that we are committed to ensuring we can deliver the best teaching and learning experience we can to our tauira. I will continue to keep you updated via email, Facebook, and our website. I also encourage you to take a look at the COVID-19 frequently asked questions on our website for further information. Lastly, but most importantly, please keep safe and follow official government advice. Stay home, look out for one another. Manaaki and kaitiaki during this time is important now more than ever. It is important that everyone does their part to stop the spread of COVID-19. If you have any pātai, please don't hesitate to contact your kaiako or send us an email at ssc@wānanga.ac.nz. Thank you to all of the Awanuiārangi community for your support. Nō reira e te whānau, ko te tūmanako kai te noho pai koutou I wainanui o koutou whānau, ko te tūmanako mā te runarawa tātou katoa e manaaki I nei wā. Nō reira, noho ora mai, kia ora tātou.